Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to take you through a very similar exercise, but in this case, I want you to connect to the plant you're working with. Now we're going to, the one you have at home. Now I'm going to still have a little bit of the music of the plants with Spider Plant, because Spider Plant and I are sort of holding that energy for you. We're holding this space, and this is an important space to hold. But what I want you to do is really focus on now, and if you can, hold the pot in which the plant you're working with is in, if it's possible. If not, you can, if you feel connected, you can just connect. But sometimes for us, that tactile response elicits something slightly different. So what I want you to do is connect somehow tactily to the plant. I want you to, again, close your eyes and start to have this nice, deep breathing like we did before. In this moment, I want you to, even though the music is in the background, I want you to go feel yourself as with each deep breath in, you're taking in the oxygen directly from the plant you're working with. And then with each breath out, you're letting out your carbon dioxide that is going to be absorbed by this plant. So in other words, I want you to form a circular breathing pattern with your breath in, taking in oxygen, and your carbon dioxide out, going into the plant.